The blocks below.
Clean? Clean? Oh my gosh, we're cleaning. Oh my gosh. Scrub! Scrubby. Scrubby. Scrub that like you mean it. If you don't scrub it like you mean it, you are not a good cleaner. You need to be a good cleaner. Clean! Scrub them. Scrub them like you're working at 7-Eleven. Scrub them like you're working at 9 to 5 to, McDonald's. Scrub it like you're working at Arby's. We have the meat! Okay, it's pretty clean. Oh, is that a scrub daddy? I thought you're using a scrub daddy? Man, you better scrub them. Scrub them real good. I like the noises. Oh,